In this video, we're diving deep into both software options to find out which one really gets the job done when it comes to construction scheduling and job tracking. If you're a contractor or a project manager looking to streamline your operations, you'll want to stick around as we break down the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of Fieldwire and Archdesk. First up, let's talk about Fieldwire. It's widely recognized for its simplicity and efficiency in the field. Fieldwire offers solid scheduling capabilities with features like task tracking, document sharing, and project collaboration. But one area where it falls short is its complexity when dealing with larger teams. For smaller projects or teams, it might be perfect, but as the scope of your project grows, things can get a bit more challenging to manage. Next thing, Archdesk brings a more comprehensive approach. It's designed to handle more than just scheduling. It's an all-in-one solution for project management. Archdesk integrates financial management, project tracking, and job costing alongside its scheduling tools. However, while it has a wider feature set, some users report that the interface isn't as intuitive as Fieldwire's, which can make the learning curve steeper for new users. The third thing to consider is ease of use. Fieldwire shines here with its clean, user-friendly interface. The mobile app is particularly noted for its smooth design, making it easy for teams to track tasks on site in real time. Archdesk, on the other hand, can be a bit overwhelming for those who are new to project management software. It has more features, yes, but it also means there's more to navigate, and the learning curve can be a deterrent for teams who want something straightforward. Next thing to talk about is integration capabilities. Fieldwire integrates with tools like Dropbox, Google Drive, and other file management systems, but when it comes to more advanced integrations, it might fall a bit short compared to Archdesk. Archdesk supports a range of integrations, including accounting tools and BM, building information modeling, software, making it a better choice if you're looking for a more connected and streamlined workflow across all aspects of your project. The fifth thing to mention is pricing. Fieldwire offers a flexible pricing structure that can be more affordable for smaller teams or companies, but the cost can quickly increase as you scale. Archdesk, on the other hand, tends to be more expensive upfront, but for larger operations, the advanced features and customization options might justify the price. Next, let's talk about customer support. Fieldwire has been praised for its responsive support team, with plenty of resources available for troubleshooting and getting the most out of the software. Archdesk, while having decent support, has been criticized for being a bit slower to respond, especially for smaller customers who might not be using all of its features. And now for the conclusion. Both Fieldwire and Archdesk have their strengths, but after testing both myself, I believe if you're really focused on construction scheduling and job tracking specifically, there's a better alternative out there. Fieldwire does the job for smaller teams, and Archdesk offers a more holistic approach for larger projects, but both come with their own challenges. If you're looking for a solution that combines ease of use, flexibility, and great customer support without the steep learning curve, then check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Trust me, it's the best way to streamline your construction scheduling and job tracking.